high-rated informs and untradeable in my club.
Yeah, I got Carvajal from mine. Not bad fodder, but
Could have been a lot,
could have been a lot better.
could have been worse.
The walkout from the first one. French, centre forward.
Just agree with it.
Considering I'm pretty sure that was a pack with one rare in, I will take
Oh,
that.
yeah.
Man, these cells are laggy.
Aye.
But that's good fodder. That'd be very useful for Carnival, right? Save the ultimate packs to the end. I've got 4 untradables.
Rare players, that was doing real dress, lovely. The worst keeper on the game is got in my French squad battles team. Bloody hell.
Yeah. Remember when he was at Palace and he just never really played for them, which is a bit weird.
Yeah, it's one of the more strange transfers. By you, Arsenal have signed Matt Ryan today, so.
Yes, yeah, he can't even get in the Brighton team.
Yeah.
So
Swansea have completed the signing of old Jordan Morris from Seattle Sounders. Hopefully,
through, is it?
well, I think it's subject to international clearance, so it's all but done. No, they've given him a shirt number and announced him on Twitter, so they'll look a bit stupid if it doesn't go through.
Yeah, obviously pretty serious then.
Yeah. I don't know if he's available tomorrow. I'm not sure. For the FA Cup.
Who have you got?
Forest.
Should win then.
Yeah, by the form book, yeah. But it doesn't always go like that, unfortunately.
That is true.
50 packs in the old club now.
Not a bad pack for fodder.
I've got a couple of ultimate packs. So, surely they'll be small at one point, won't they?
Yeah, I would have thought it would be next Friday. I would have thought
for the weekend. Yeah, would make sense.
I just couldn't be asked to wait another week, to be honest.
I've done my 84 plus, so I can open packs, but I think I'll stay for, to be honest. I've packed Kimmich like 20 minutes ago, and that pissed me off enough.
Yeah. Right. Mega packs now.
Yeah.
Walk out in the first one. Not blue though. It's summer.
Oh, lovely. Everyone's favourite walkout.
Yep.
You just see Swiss, and you're like, oh, skip.
Yeah. Well, PK as well though.
Not too bad.
In a mega pack.
I'll help you on your Cannavaro grind.
Yeah.
They haven't released any SBCs yet, though.
Nothing other than the Suarez one, no.
That's subjective.
Oh yeah, Suarez, yeah, he's an objective. Yeah, no, I don't think there was any SBC today.
Well, imagine if they did like a Ribery or something, bloody hell. I'd be jumping on that.
Mind you, the state of these servers, I'm glad all I'm doing at the moment is opening packs, because I wouldn't have to want to try and navigate the menus at all.
I'm just debating whether to play champs or not.
I mean, if you do, you're an idiot.
Well, I haven't signed up for it yet, so that's what I can't. I ain't playing a game. No, fuck that. But I'm just debating whether I'm going to play it at all this weekend or not. So if I am, I need to sign up now. Screw it. I'll play a few games of Rivals anyway, for this week. So we shall redeem. It'll take me 4 wins
Probably get a
to.
few games done at some point.
Yeah. So, the other was going out. So that's why he's tickling me fancy.
Yeah.
You act like a hunter on that. You've basically got a 3 Lewandowski.
Yeah, I mean, he looks good. It's just
Obviously
pace.
the pace is a letdown and only 4-star skills is a letdown. But other than that, you can't really argue with the card. But his finishing should be lethal. He's got good passing, good dribbling.
If I didn't have to try and like rearrange my team to fit him in, then I'd probably consider doing it. But
Yeah, I mean, I think he'd be nothing more than a sub for me. He ain't getting in over Cruyff.
no, not unless you want to give me a Cruyff, then you can use Suarez.
I need 3 more Premier League ones for one icon. I need 3 more icon swaps, which is a bit of a pain, and then I've got the 25 83 pluses, which is something that I want for next Friday. When the full team of the season's hopefully out.
I just did the 2 to get the 2 ultimate packs.
Yeah, I'll probably do that afterwards, to be honest. I've got 2 icon tokens at the moment. I think
It's annoying.
I
These have to be
can
untradeable.
get, if I finish the Premier League one, which I've nearly done, and then the two squad battles ones, which is the French and the untradeable first owner squad, and that's the 3 I need. And then if I do the Liga Nosh / UCL one, squad battles one, that'd be another 6 games of squad battles, and that'll give me 2 more ultimate packs. So that's the plan for this week. Is to do
That would be good.
all the squad battles ones, and then finish off the Premier League friendlies one, and then that gives me the 25 83 pluses, and also two ultimate packs.
That's the end of the mega pack.
What pack? I've got 50 packs sitting there. I think I'll open the jumbo silver pack. I may as well. There's no point saving that one.
I don't think so.
I don't think they're available in the old silver packs. Mulligan.
Right.
That was funny earlier, you bloody message saying, I've finally remembered to look at my bloody fantasy football team.
I know.
Subbing Vardy and he's injured.
Yeah. So
Serves
annoying.
you right,
Literally like 10 minutes before, I was like, oh, that's probably not gonna. I saw like the De Bruyne injury announcement. I was contemplating bringing him in, and I thought, no, I'll hold off on him because I think he had a yellow flag next to him, and also walk out. Brazilian goalkeeper, Edison. I'll take that to be fair because I'm probably going to use Edison because I'm fed up with Pope. So.
The untradeable.
Once it loads, I'll tell you. Yes, it is.
Yeah, you might as well use it then, yeah.
I'll either use them or I'll go in the highest rated squad for Canada.
Yeah, well, you may as well use him until you whack him in the SBC.
Yeah, he'll definitely be in the team.
Yeah.
I can't be asked to use Pope anymore. Alright, a couple of rare mega packs. That's in form. A German left mid called George.
What a very German name that.
85 Galaxy. We'll take that.
George.
That's fine. Right. One more rare mega. I've never packed a team of the year.
I haven't for a long time. I've packed one. And I think it was probably FIFA 12 or 13. It was Gerard Piqué, that's how long ago it was.
Right, okay, yeah.
The only team of the year I've ever packed.
85 to 83s.
Icons are all my thing.
Yes, I'm fully aware of that.
I've only packed one.
Just waiting for a prime moment to Rio to pop out.
I've only packed one icon this year, to be fair.
Let's keep it that way. Save some for me this year.
Yeah, you had one last year, didn't you? You had Ferdinand, yeah.
Yeah, I'd Rio in the end, yeah.
Yeah, I've had Brio this year. Only his mid.
That's one of the worst 50k packs I've ever seen. 82 Asenjo.
Why is it taking me? I was going to say, why is it taking me all the way down the bottom for that like a shitty Sudamericana card? But apparently it's a Sudamericana man of the match. I didn't even know they were bloody a thing.
Right, 4 ultimate packs.
Sebastian Ball.
What do you reckon the best pool's going to be?
4 ultimate packs.
Yeah.
I think you might get an old black as of it.
You reckon an old black, do you? First one is a walkout. I'd be worried if it wasn't. So it's Polish, so that's Chesney.
Wrong one.
Fucking hell, Sommer and Chesney, brilliant.
Well, you're on the keeper hunt, so maybe my old black shout is it's all I seem to pack bloody walkout.
Well. I mean, I've got 87 and 84, and 83 and 82, and then the rest were 81s and below. That's not very good.
Well, you wait till the next one, you don't even get a walkout.
Yeah, don't say that. I really should discard all of these. I should try and save and put them into upgrades, but
it happens an awful lot with ultimate packs, don't they?
Yeah, I know.
Don't even get a bloody walkout. Just pack that bloody German left bit there. George!
Yeah, second one isn't a walkout. Donnarumma this time.
Shame the bloody team of the season goalkeepers aren't out. You might actually have a chance.
And Berkey. I've literally packed like every goalkeeper over about 84 rated, I think. Oh, brilliant. I've got a duplicate untradeable Joe Gomez. Not that he's worth anything anymore, to be fair.
Yeah. I'll just pack that miners in form. Doesn't look awful. I mean,
No, I got him from Reds.
I mean, I saw
Solid.
Dutch walk out centre mid and immediately thought Hullet, but
I mean, if I was streaming the Team of the Year pack opening and you opened Hullet at the same time while speaking to you, I think I'd flip and end the stream, to be honest.
oh dear, can't wait to
Oh my
pack
god,
Hullet.
it's not a walkout again. Jimenez, no, Godin.
85. I mean, if you're not going to get a walkout, at least it's an 85. That's right. Is Ryan Fraser been in the game since the start? I swear I've not seen him at all, and I've just got him in a pack. Am I going mad? I don't know. Probably. I just don't feel like he's been in the game since the start.
Well, we have one pack to go.
Start filling the club back up.
Yeah, I guess that's the one thing. When they do release more upgrade packs, I shall have a lot of untradables to go in them.
I just packed up black.
Come on, oh, of course you did. Send on a walkout, please. Oh, it's not even a walkout. Oh my god.
Oh dear, that's funny.
I've had an 80 rated Libertadores goalkeeper pop up as the card from an ultimate pack.
Yeah, we'll do when it's untradeable. You might have an 84 or an 85 behind.
Oh my god. 83 Hradecki.
You enjoy that?
Yeah, love to that.
And that is why you don't buy FIFA points.
Yeah. Don't buy FIFA points, kids.